Hello there. I just used today this Twisted Sista's Innate Hair Care Collection Instant Hydrating Conditioner. Channel your inner beauty, love your textured hair. I don't have textured hair, but I do have this product available for me to try, so I went ahead and used it. It smells really nice, the product itself, and it left my hair smelling very clean and nice. The product itself has a little bit of a perfumey smell. Slight flowery perfumey smell, but not a negative one, a nice perfumey smell. But yeah, it worked great. I put it on, I left it in my hair for about 5 minutes or so, and then rinsed it out. It covered my hair well, it rinsed well, it smelled nice, didn't cause me any kind of like negative reaction or response. My scalp took it just fine, and yeah, I would recommend this. I'll see if I can find a link. If I can, I'll put it below. If you have ever tried this product, let me know what you thought of it. And if you have not tried this product, do you condition your hair? After you shampoo, do you go ahead and do a conditioner? Let me know if you condition your hair down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.